Okay, today we're taking a look at the Numeric Racing shifter and shifter cables. And now these are available for all 911s, the 996, 997, 991, and 992. And also the Cayman and Boxster 987, 981, and 718. This is a very popular upgrade, and it's usually directed towards the person who wants to improve the shifting feel and action. The shifter itself is a very nice machined part. It has a 35% reduction in travel. And just feeling this, it has precision ball bearings on all axes. So it's kind of they call it a rifle-like once it's connected, and I have one in my personal Cayman, and it's great. But you can see the movements here are very fluid versus the factory kind of slops around a little bit. This doesn't have a lot of positive engagement. Has a decent feel to its stock. This is a fully machined part. So it's structurally going to be a lot stronger than the factory plastic housing that goes around it. Now, a lot of times people will also upgrade the shifter cables, and we have the numeric ones, which are basically a thicker, larger diameter cable, a stronger cable as well. The factory ones, we don't really see a lot of issues with the cables themselves, but what's very typical are these plastic ends crack, break. Very common on the 987, 996, 997. As you get a little age in these things, they slip, crack, fall apart, and can leave you stuck, which is why this is also a very popular upgrade. With this, you get the metal machined rod ends. Comes with all the caps necessary for the install. And then it's also available, if you're going to DIY this, with a bulkhead wrench, which I highly recommend, to install these. Makes it very easy, and there's also optional insulation that can go around these to help with some noise, to basically take some of that transfer from the metallic cables out of the cabin. Without it, it's really not that extreme, but if you're one of those people who are very particular about suppressing any noise from the driveline, I'd recommend these optional insulation tubes that can go right on. So we're going to get into showing you some of the elements of the install. The install guide is available on our website at flat6motorsports.com. Numeric does a good job of showing that. But overall, made in the USA, just a very high quality part. This is also an adjustable shifter arm, so you can raise the height of it, and it just really fixes all that slop. It's something you really have to feel. If you have somebody locally that has one, definitely get in it, feel it. We have very high satisfaction with this setup, and again, it's very common for folks to upgrade both the shifter and the cables at the same time. So let's get under this 997 turbo we have here and show you how it goes on. now with the numeric shifter, and what we really like about the shifter is it just so fast. It's, you know, PDK fast in terms of manual shifting, and just has a lot of engagement. So when you shift into a gear, it really goes into gear. You feel it. This also has a racing slammer shift knob, which is a weighted shift knob, which actually helps a little bit more in terms of putting the center of gravity higher on the shifter, and that enables you to go into gear just really nicely. I think that this is a very popular modification. The reason is there's a lot of Porsche enthusiasts out there. This is one of these modifications that just makes the car more fun to drive, gives you more engagement and a better feel with the car. So it's one of those things, if you really like driving down back roads or spirited driving, track use, this type of modification is really going to be a great value to you. If you're interested in a numeric shifter for your Porsche, they're available at flat6motorsports.com. If you have any questions, we're here to help. Thanks for watching.